Honestly, welding is something that, for me personally, the first reason I was inclined to it is as a kid, I was always very pyromaniac, always into fire, always playing with hot stuff, and I was surrounded by welders, right? So to me, that's all I knew, and it was something that like I always just looked as like cool, right? These guys are playing with fire, they're manipulating metal, so that was the first big attraction, and then the wake-up call was when I got out of high school. I didn't know exactly what I wanted to do, so I just took up a job at a shop, and they happened to have a welding bay, so I started as a helper and just got into the whole grinding thing. Don't get me wrong, I grinded for a long time, but even just seeing the sparks come off of that metal were just like, just amps you up, gets you going. Honestly, like, it was the first big factor was I always watched my dad. He's a rig welder, and shout out One Way Welding, but he has always had the independence to work his own way. Obviously professionalism and keep up, just all out, give out good work, 100% quality work, and that's what I want to be able to do, right? Personally, the way I live my life is very, wherever the wind takes me, play it by ear. That's always how I've been, and I believe that's how I will be till the end of time. But as far as I know is I'm gonna get these certifications, get CWB, and get out there and get more experience as much as I can, and then come back to Portage as soon as possible for the next second year term, because it's been a wonderful experience. Originally, my family comes from Chile. I was born in Chile. I emigrated here when I was around 6 years old, and now my family lives around the Tikino area. I would say, honestly, this is the perfect place to come, because you'll get all the one-on-one time that you need, all the support. You have wonderful instructors, Rob and Bernie, they're wonderful. They've been there for us for whatever we need. Even the questions that you may think aren't valid of asking, they don't care, right? They'll give you the time of day, and they'll make sure you don't have that doubt in your mind. So I definitely say if you're a little bit scared of the books, this is the place to come, because you'll get all the support you need.